Airplanes are among the safest and most reliable vehicles in the world. And that's because the NTSB studies each and every crash that occurs. Shouldn't you be doing the same for your cluster? Because if you're not using Gantry, you're not using Kubernetes correctly. All of the big boys like Google and Facebook are tracking the data that's going on in their clusters and looking at best practices and building best practices and how they can improve upon those to have more reliability, better cost savings, and a more efficient team. We built Gantry to do this for you. We have an agent that lives in your cluster and collects the data that you need into a Prometheus time series database. Then we have a training model that we've built using those best practices that we've gotten from various of the world's highest engineers in SREs. And we have an inference API that makes that data and makes those decisions and turns them into effects, right? What is going to be the effect of making this change? And you can see that in the dashboard that we give to you. And not only that, we actually give it to your manager with product integrations such as Jira and Asana or Basecamp, whatever you're using to manage your team. From there, you can instruct your team on how to affect those decisions. And then you can see the results in the same dashboard on how much you've brought to the table by using Gantry. If you want more information on this, you can find me, Mark, at gantry.cloud, and I'm happy to answer more questions that you might have about improving your infrastructure.